Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am Ghulam Nabi Khan. We are going to teach you English. This is class 10th, subject English. Dear students, you have read the Long Walk to Freedom. We are going to do the matching of the exercise of this very lesson. You will open your book at page number 35. Language work. You will see in the language work, in column A are some expressions you will find in the text. Make a guess and match each expression with an appropriate meaning from column B. Dear students, there are some expressions in the column A. We have to find or guess the meaning from the column B. The meanings are there. For example, there is this line A part, a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations. As you have read, there were different kinds of people when there was the ceremony, and you have to match which sentence matches with this very sentence. A rainbow, you know, in rainbow there are different colors. So there is a beautiful coming together of various people like the colors in a rainbow. This rainbow is a signal word here. It will help you. So here, a beautiful coming together of various people like the colors in a rainbow. तो ये उसको आएगा, आप इसके ये आगे ये लिखेंगे जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिखा है. Part B, the seat of white supremacy. You know that the authority was in the hands of white people. So you can guess the appropriate meaning from the B portion. The seat of white supremacy. Yes, the center of racial superiority. The center of racial superiority. There was the superiority complex on the basis of races. Part C, be overwhelmed with the sense of history. Be overwhelmed with the sense of history. Guess the meaning from the part B. Shabash. Feel deeply emotional, remembering and understanding all past events that have led up to the moment. You know that be overwhelmed with the sense of history. That means history refers to the past events. So feel deep emotional remembering and understanding all the past events that have led up to the moment. Part D, resilience that defies the imagination. तो क्या आएगा इसको यहाँ? A great ability almost unimaginable to remain unchanged by suffering, not losing hope, goodness or courage. You know that during the freedom struggle of South Africa, they were not losing the hopes. So that is resilience that defies the imagination. That was their imagination was not affected and they had the hope. Then there is part E, glimmer of humanity. Glimmer, you know, glimmer वो किरण जैसी है. Glimmer of humanity. E part means a sign of human feeling, goodness, kindness, pity, justice. You will see here a glimmer of humanity, a sign of human feeling, goodness, kindness, pity, justice, etc. Then part F, a twilight existence. A twilight, you know what is a twilight? It refers to the light between the sunset and the darkness. So here is a statement: a half sacred life, like a life lived in the jading light between sunset and darkness. So dear students, I think this is enough for today. Inshallah, we will continue this portion tomorrow. Thanks.